With two dogs in our family, one who can chew up anything, we're about to find out if these toy bins are actually indestructible, like the website claims. I don't know about you, but I've gone through several toy bins. I can never find exactly what I want. They never last that long, and I never loved them. In my mind, I kept picturing a toy bin made of galvanized steel. You know, it exactly matches their feeding bowls. And in my mind, I kept picturing, I can find that, I can find that. And all the shopping I did, I never found one. And so I would just buy the next best thing and make do until it wore out. It's echoing off of it. Can you hear my voice echoing off of the galvanized tub? My requirements were basically last forever, so I never have to replace it, and look beautiful. I like for my dogs to be able to get the toys out on their own, but more importantly, put them back. We haven't quite gotten to the point put them back yet, but they are pretty good at getting them out. Also, I put my cat's toys in there, and I didn't necessarily want to have 25 mismatched bins because I can't always find the exact one that back to the original thing. I couldn't get, but these are matched. One's bigger and one's smaller. I'll show you that in just a second, so hang tight. So I can have one for cats and one for dogs. I know it says dog toys, but the smaller one's for the cats. It's fine. Another problem I have, and this is embarrassing to say, this cat right here, he pees. He marks everything. We're working on it. He's a work in progress. This is not something he's done forever. It's relatively new in the last 6 months, and we're working on it. So anything that's cloth or that has to be washed is gross, whereas these, he is less likely to pee in them. And if he does mark these, wipes right out. So bonus. Hopefully you don't have that problem. Look, his cat hair is flying around. Durable, great for dogs who chew, great for a household where things get torn up. You don't have to use it just for toys, even though it's marked toys. That's only marked on one side, so you can pretty much use it for any pet essentials. You could use it for blankets. You could use it for towels. If you have a farmhouse kind of look, you can use it for towels. It's multi-purpose. With the handles, you can easily carry it around. You could use it for a laundry basket if you wanted. And of course, it's super stylish. Let me show you the different sizes so you can get a feel for it. This is the larger one, and this is the smaller one. And you can see that it's much, much smaller. They both say in this cute copper bone dog toys. I really think that's adorable. I'm going to turn this one around for the cats. They can't read. It's got the little bumpy things. I don't know what those are called, but it really brings out the uniqueness of it. And then, of course, these great handles. This one is a really perfect size for just about everything. This larger one, I'm going to have to buy some more toys. That's all I'm saying about this one. It's that ginormous. I truly love them. It's one of those things that I found in my life that brings me joy. When I walk into the room and I see these filled with the animal stuff, it brings me joy. And if a product can bring you joy, I say get it. If you have an animal lover in your life, pretty decent gift, wouldn't you say? The store had some other ones like this in this galvanized steel with different decor, I just wanted mine to match, and I really and truly love them. If you're an animal lover like I am, be sure and subscribe because I love to review animal products. And if you have an animal, put it in the community chat so we can all ooh and all over your cute pets.